Alright, since my stupid camping light doesn't want to work anymore, the batteries got too cold, I guess we're just gonna be microwaving this camping light while I record the video with a camping light. It's by, uh, well, however you pronounce that, Ozark. What a stupid name. Jeez. Well, this lamp is better anyway because I get more direct lighting. And the modem is still cooling off. You can hear it. Camping light goes like that. It's gonna light up the microwave. The famous 5 minutes. Bam. Come on, start. Huh. That was pretty. Oh, whoa. Light. It's lighting up. Uh-oh. Aw, the light burned out. That's no fun. Huh. Man, what's happening in there? We just got the Aurora Borealis in there. Oh, what was that? Man, what is happening in there? I don't understand. I just wanted to light up my microwave. Surprisingly, no fire yet. Is there even any smoke? I guess. It's just glowing a little tiny bit, and that's it. Oh, it's so boring. Oh, I see the smoke. I see the smoke producing in there. And now it's smoking. I can't even smell it though. There's just a slight glow in there. I don't know if that's a light bulb or is it the reflector or what. I guess it's melting. No fire. Aww. Come on, get to work! Smoke blowing out the side. Where's that coming from? Oh, out the vent. Oh no. I think it's had enough. Ugh. Ew. Ew, what happened in there? Ugh. It's not even hot. Ew. Do I dare to open it up? Everything else looks okay. Let me open it up. Oh, there's smoke pouring out. Of course you can't see that. Oh, maybe now you can. Oh, ew. It's just a big nothing. Just a big smoke show. Oh, God. gosh. Ooh, spooky smoke. That's it for that.